Oh, there's a woodpecker. There he comes. Coming to the suet feeder there. He's on the other side of it. He's on the other side of that suet. You can see him. By the way, this is Sunday afternoon, the 7th day of April. It's very nice weather. Somewhere in the 60s and very low humidity. Total blue skies. I went out to Alice King Park early and did a little walk. I got where I'm trying to walk practically every day out there. No more running, just walking. And between the way I eat and walking and sitting back here getting a little sun, I think I'm gonna be a healthy dude for a while.